Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel an order on the Shop app. Let's get started. First, launch the Shop app on your mobile device and sign in. Tap the orders icon at the bottom of the screen, and this will show you all your recent purchases made through the app. Then find the order you want to cancel. Then tap on it to view order details. In the top right corner of the screen, tap the three dots or lines. If the order is eligible, you'll see a cancel order option. Tap it and confirm the cancellation. Not all orders can be cancelled. If the seller has already shipped the item, you may need to request a return instead. If there's no cancel option, contact the store or seller directly via the order page. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.